Evening, everybody. Hope you had a wonderful, wonderful weekend and an even better Monday. Fragile. Must be French, right? No, it is a Funky Bob mystery box. Lucky number 13 over there. Boxes from December. Freddy or Grail. 3 items per box. Could be sodas or pops. $90 box. $100 guarantee. As of December. We'll see what it is in April. We'll be right back. Like I said, this box is from December of last year, 2022. It was shipped someplace on here. It says December 13th, I believe it was shipped. 13th, 16th, somewhere around there. Again, $90 per box plus shipping. It was right at $100 guarantee. Awesome. 3 items in this box. I say items because it could be sodas or pops. There was a variety of both. It was a Grail or Freddy box. Freddy or Grail. Whichever way you want to look at it. Let's see what we got. Again, we got 3 items in this box. 100 guaranteed. Now that was as of December. We all know how PPG goes. So you never know. Let's see, we got bubble wrap on top. Okay, so we have 2 pops and a sealed soda. Okay, let's pull 1 pop out. We'll put it down here. 1 pop. Ooh, it just came open. I'm assuming that is the front. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot about this. He's got the black paper on him. Black paper. We'll pull that off. Oh, okay. We got Batman from the animated series number 152. This is an older one, isn't it? No, this is a newer one. Wow, $55 is what the price tag on the bottom says at one time. So we'll see what he's at now. Wow, okay. I forgot that those were in there. It's been a long time since we opened. That's pretty cool, actually, though. Pretty cool. All right. Let's see here. Oh, there's some candy in here too. Let's open the soda. It is Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey. It is crushed. That's okay. International, and somebody was selling this for $17 at one time. So let's open this up. Funny story about this one. We do have this chase, the domestic version of it, and I actually dropped it one day out here in the garage, and it broke. So this is one that I'd love to have in one piece, because he's in 2 right now. So, let's see. Grab his feet because he's holding buckets. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think this is the chase. It is. It is the chase. It is the chase. Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey with the buckets. That is so awesome. Like I said, let me just pull it down here. Now, all you Disney fans out there, don't freak out. Don't freak out. But we got Headless Mickey. Yeah, his head popped right clean off. I could super glue it back on there. But very cool to pull the chase. That is awesome. He sits up here behind Chris Stapleton. And they hang out. We usually put the chip in front of them to kind of so you can't see them. But that is awesome. A chase soda out of this box. Awesome international chase. Yeah, this is a pretty good box so far. All right, let's open the 3rd item, 2nd pop. Let's see here. Let's pull this stuff out. I don't want to look at the pop. Trying to get it back in without damaging the pop here. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is a PX Exclusives Glow Mr. Burns. That is awesome. That is awesome. We will have to try to get a picture of that one. That is a 2021. That one says $31 on the bottom. I'm going to have to say we are well over 100 on this box. And this is 4 months after this was sold. We're going to check prices. We'll be right back. Guys, so $90 box plus shipping. So it was right at 100. $100 guarantee. We're opening this 4 months after it dropped. Don't know what the prices were then, but we did good. We did really good. The Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey International just happened to be the chase. He comes in at $29. If it was the common, it would have been $12 for the international, $13 for the domestic. So $29. The glowing Mr. Burns PX exclusives PX previews exclusive. I always say that backwards. $34. So very cool in there. We don't really collect Simpsons, but that one might be one to keep. Batman from the animated series number 152 comes in at $55, giving us a grand total of $118. Even with the soda, if it would have been a common, we still would have been $101, and we are guaranteed $100. So you cannot lose or miss out with Funky Bop mystery boxes. Here is protected by Diamond Guard, some stickers that were in the box as well. From him as well. So, and if you go to diamondxguard.com, use promo code FunkyBop05, you save 5% off. So, awesome box. We've always done good with Funky Bop boxes. Just an awesome dude, awesome creator, and awesome mystery boxes. So, stay tuned. We might pick up another one up. We'll see you later. Be decent, be do one good thing for everybody, and keep on popping.